But about once every other week. I mean, but since I've been busy,
because you got a lot of YouTube freaks and females out there that be interested in you.
Well, I mean, holla at me. You know what I'm saying? No.
What's your number?
Here's the thing.
What's your number?
I ain't chasing no pussy, but if you wanna holla at me, be adult about it. Don't be talking shit on no fucking blogs if you can't say that shit to my face. You know what I mean?
Yes,
if you want to holla at me, holla at me.
So you want to give them a number, address, everything?
Yeah, my email. You know what I'm saying? J Smart, because my name is Justin Smart. You know what I mean? J Smart.
You got to spell out J or just the letter J?
Alright, the letter J, then SMART, and then it's after that it's 3 digits you gotta type in 428. I mean that's my birthday, April 28th. So jsmart428@gmail.com.
Gmail.
Y'all heard it, YouTube. Pay attention.
Ow.
Look here, like I said.
Oh, happy belated.
Happy birthday.
Happy belated.
Yeah, so y'all freaks out there, make sure y'all come and give him a birthday gift.
Yes, sir.
Like I said, I don't chase pussy because I ain't coming on like I'm desperate. He asked me if I wanted to put my name out there with my, and I'm like, all right, whatever. I'm going with the flow right now. So, you know, either take it or leave it. Ain't no pressure on you.
And he ain't have no pussy. He gets it once every 3 weeks.
Hey, as I said, I can get that anywhere. You know, pussy nowadays is like crack, so, you know.
You seen it?
Well, nah, I mean, I ain't feeling it. It's just that I ain't just running up on anything like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I feel you.
After that experience of going in Shorty's ass, you know what I'm saying?
This was lately?
So let them know the age difference. Let them know what age group.
No. There's no age.
No. What's this lately though?
What?
That whole fart in your mouth. Lately?
No.
Oh.
I mean, how long ago was that?
That was 3 years ago.
Oh, you haven't ate ass since?
No.
Oh, you hesitated for a minute.
Nah.
You have to think about it, right?
No, I haven't.
Think about it.
No, this time I gotta right the wrong. Cause it's like, you know what I'm saying? You can't let your emotions conflict with your common sense and intelligence. As strange as that sounds, because whenever you with Shorty, your emotions take over, and you end up doing shit that's just
you never did before.
You never did before, but it's like you can't do that. You can't. You gotta. I gotta live by my last name. I gotta be smart, for real. Cause I ain't letting nobody pass gas in my fucking mouth
ever again, right?
Let them know you gotta clean their ass.
Not doing it.
Clean y'all asses.
This for y'all dirty bitches.
Clean y'all bitches. Clean y'all asses.
Douches.
The animals. Talk to YouTube. Let YouTube know.
Look here, ladies. You know what I'm saying? I don't care how pretty you look. You know what I'm saying? Hygiene is very important. You know what I mean? And I know everybody passes gas. But if you pass gas at the wrong place at the wrong time, when dude is fucking you, I mean, some guys might let it slide, but some guys like me don't let that shit slide. You know what I'm saying? And for real, that's trifling.
But you finished hitting it after that, though.
Well, hey, look here, man. We all make mistakes.
After you got shit in my mouth, you didn't put your dick back in the shit hole.
No, I didn't. After that, no. No, I didn't.